Why are we the top choice in Palm Beach County and Broward County? Because your floor isn't just concrete. It's the foundation of your home or business. It's where families grow, businesses succeed, and life unfolds. It deserves to be strong, clean, and built to last. At ARQ Floors Coatings, we start with expert surface preparation, grinding the concrete, opening the pores, and repairing every crack or imperfection to ensure perfect adhesion. Then we apply a high-performance MVB base coat, engineered to block moisture and preserve color over time. This layer acts as a moisture vapor barrier and helps prevent delamination, yellowing, and long-term damage, giving your floor a stronger, more stable foundation. While the base coat is still fresh, we broadcast decorative flakes selected by you, adding style, texture, and personality to your space. Once it cures, we remove the excess flakes, level the surface, and apply a 96% solids polyaspartic top coat for maximum protection. The result? A glossy, durable finish that resists UV rays, chemicals, impacts, and heavy traffic. You can walk on it in just 24 hours and drive on it in 4 days. We specialize in residential and commercial spaces, including garages, patios, pool decks, warehouses, showrooms, offices, and restaurants. We are professionals in floor coating installation. Our approach ensures strong, long-lasting floors with an exceptional finish, designed to exceed our clients' expectations. Contact us today for your free quote, and let's transform your floors.